You book a cheap flight, open your itinerary, and see 0 kilograms check-in baggage. Does that mean you can't bring any luggage at all? Not quite, but falling for this mistake can cost you double at the airport. Seeing 0 kilograms on your ticket means you cannot check any luggage into the aircraft hold for free. Airlines unbundle their fares to advertise super low prices, leaving you with only what fits in the cabin. On most flights, you are still allowed a personal item that fits under the seat, like a backpack or purse. However, overhead bin space depends heavily on the airline. While some allow a standard carry-on bag, others prohibit full-sized carry-ons on basic economy fares, forcing a heavy gate check fee if you show up with a roller bag. If you do need a checked bag, the golden rule is to buy it online right after booking. Paying for baggage at the airport counter can cost over twice as much. To maximize a 0 kilogram fare without paying extra, wear your bulkiest clothing on the plane and pack a versatile capsule wardrobe. Knowing the rules before you pack saves you money, time, and serious airport stress.